My favorite recipes, step by step. Welcome to my blog. What are you doing here? Do you like cook? I invite you to carefully read this delicious and easy cooking recipe. Cooking is undoubtedly one of the most common daily habits. At home, we have a plate to make meal. This plate gives us the tool to make all kinds of recipes, and more if they are the recipes that we like. You don't need to be a cook to make a recipe. You just need to have all the ingredients and motivation. Eating is one of the most important physiological needs of man. Therefore, we must consume healthy food that provides us with nutrients, that is, basic substances that allow the proper functioning of our body. These nutrients are divided into 5 main groups: carbohydrates, fatty acids, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Pancake recipe. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, butter, salt, sugar. Step to make a pancake. 1. Put a cup of flour in a bowl. Add salt. 2. Add an egg and a cup of milk. 3. Put the butter in a bread. 4. Add the mixture. 5. Toast the pancake. 6. Eat the pancake. Are you hungry? Now you can make this delicious recipe at home. Follow all the steps. You can eat the pancake with coffee or